Welcome back, guys. In today's video I will show you the best e-commerce platforms you can use to start your e-commerce business and set up your store. We will gonna start with some very well known that maybe you already have heard before, and by the end of this video I will show you brand new absolutely free platform you can use to start your e-commerce. Let's dive in. So first things first, let's head and see how much Shopify will actually cost you to start your e-commerce store. So if we click on the pricing, you will see that you can start free trial for the £1 and just explore the platform to see whether that's something that might suit your e-commerce needs. Okay, so right now they're also running the offer that you can earn 1% of all the sales as subscription credit up to 10,000. So if you are interested in this kind of offer, you can click on learn more to get more details. But what happens when your trial is finished? If you scroll down more, you have options to pay monthly or pay yearly. So if you click on the pay monthly, these are the prices. We can see they are displaying in pounds because I'm UK based. So as most popular they claim is the basic plan. Okay, it will cost you £25 per month, and then the additional charges what you will face will be 2% plus 25 pence as a fixed rate for the online purchases, and if it's your physical store then 1.7%, and if you are using any other third-party payment providers you will have additional 2% again. So the other features include inventory locations, chat support, 3 markets, and so on. So you can see that the other plans that are more expensive and will cost you more, you have a bit more features included. However, the basic plan is good for you to get started. Now, and if you think how it works and what do I do? So the first thing is you can see that Shopify provides you with the themes. So to make your life easier and for you to be able to build your site quickly, you can select some of the themes that are already done for you. Now, some of them are free. You can see it on the price selection right here. You can select the free ones. So let's explore only the free ones. So if we scroll down, let's say we like this one and we click on this theme, you can see on the demo store how your site will look like. Okay, so you have the banners, you have the menus, and your products displayed right here. So if you click on one of the products, you again will see how your product pages will look like. Now the great thing about Shopify is that you can integrate so many different apps within it. So if you need a solution of something, I can guarantee you there is app already done for it. So if you come on a Shopify app store, you can see your order trackings, your email implementation. You can link it to print on demand, so you can actually have the e-commerce store where you don't really have any physical products or even don't do any deliveries yourself. You can all link it to the Printify. You can also link it to the Instagram straightly to have InstaFeed from your shop, and plenty of more. You can also include even something like QuickBooks and have all your accounting systems set up in one place. So some of these apps will cost you additionally, so they will not be available free, and the same as with the themes, there are some free and there are some more paid options. So overall conclusion that the Shopify is easy to use. It's a great platform to get started. However, it's not the cheapest one, and as I can mention after that in this video later on, I will show you free options that you can use. So to sign up, we head back here and you just simply click on sign up. Select whether you are just starting or you're already advanced person and have sold before. You can even skip all of these selections. It just gives you more personalized approach, like at what point of your selling journey you are. So you can skip all of them, and then you need to select your location, and then you can create your account with email or other alternative methods here like Apple, Facebook, or Google accounts. Now if you would like to see another video how to set up the store in Shopify more like in a practical way, please let me know down below in a comment. Now let's move on to the next platform called Shopwire. Shopwire is available right now only in the UK. I will show you another platform just in a second if you are based in USA, and then we're going to end up with one that is available globally. So Shopwire claims they are the best alternative to Shopify. You can get also free trial here and try them out for 14 days. So if we scroll down, they even have done this kind of blog post comparing themselves to the Shopify. So you can see that the monthly cost on Shopwire is actually more than the Shopify. However, they don't charge any additional fees on the order. So you can see it's a 0%, while Shopify still charges you 2%. So I know as a beginner you might thinking, okay, but if I have to just pay monthly fixed, it's still gonna cost me more. But that's only until the point you're making the sale. So as soon as you start making the sales, Shopwire, and you are based in UK, Shopwire is actually better choice for you. So now we can also see how they're comparing that all of their teams are free of charge, and the support is based here in the UK. Okay. Now if we go up on the teams, then you can see the teams again, you can select, and that makes your life so much easier and so much quicker to actually get started. So again, click on the team and you can see how your store will look like. And to get started, you will just need to click up right here, try a Shopwire, and you can try it free for 14 days. So you would set up your email address, provide your business details, and start creating your store. And again, if you are interested in more advanced and deeper tutorial on how to set up the store with Shopwire, let me know in the comments. Now, if you are based in USA, you can also use a Shift for a shop platform. So let's click on the pricing and see how much it will cost. So they run different offers right here. And now if you are processing at least minimum of 1,000 per month, then your platform as such is free for you to use. Okay, then there are different options, and again, if you want to implement the PayPal, it will start costing you $39 per month. Okay, so you would have to really look and compare how much you are potentially going to be processing into the sales, and whether you would like to implement PayPal as your payment solution as well. So as I said, Shift for a shop will work if you are based in the USA right now. Now, if you are based anywhere else, not in USA, not in UK, globally, and still would like to set up your e-commerce store, let's head to the platform called Workity.com. Now, Workity.com is not technically e-commerce platform. Store is a classified ads site, global marketplace where you can just simply create your profile as your store front and then list unlimited free ads on the platform. Now, for the terms of the payment, you would have to set up the payment externally. So whether you would like to use a PayPal payment or card payment, I will be doing another tutorials on this site, on this channel, to show you how you can do that. Now today, let's have a look how to get started with it. So first of all, you would need to click on sign up and simply provide your first, last name, email address, set up the password, or use Facebook or Google account to get started. Now, once you are logged in, you are able to start posting your free ads. And you can access your profile right here. Now your profile, you can use it as your store front. You can click edit, add your profile picture, you can add your banner, add more details about yourself by clicking on edit right here, add your location and description. Now heading back to post free ad, let's click on the post free ad. From here you select the category, and then the form fields will depend on the category and subcategory you have selected. So let's click on category, let's say for deals, click on continue, and then from here now you would enter your product details, and then you can add your titles, you can select the subcategories for your product, enter your location, display it on the map if you wish to, add all the description, brand features, your policies, cancellations, and here you can add your keywords you are targeting. So these are the keywords people are searching on a search engines, and then they can find your ad through this Workity platform. Then you can add your product pictures. You can also even add YouTube links if you have any. You can add your price. You can be open to the offers. People can message you and offer your price, especially if you are providing something like a services and are able to negotiate the price depending of the orders. If you have any coupon codes, you can add them right here. And from here you can also promote your website. If you have any other store or any other pages, you can add the link right here. So this would work also with things like affiliate marketing, even if you don't have your store and still would like to use this platform. Now additionally here you can also have some featured options where you can add featured banner and boost your ad to be displayed on the top of the website. So you can add it and mark it as featured on homepage, or set it as urgent also on homepage or category. So if you click on one of these duration drop downs right here, you will see how much it will cost you, and the duration you can select. So obviously the more days you would select, the longer duration, the cheaper it will cost you per one single day. So now if you scroll down, you can simply click on post ad and your ad will be live on the site. So if you see on the homepage right here, these are the ads currently on the site, and the ones that are featured, we're gonna display these banners or urgent, and they will be on the top of the homepage. So if we click on one of these ads, you can see Brand Hub Deals is on one of the sellers right here. You can contact the seller right here. You can see when it was seen last month and the statistics of the reviews and sales on the other account that is linked to this profile. So this can actually work as your store front, and then you can see all the ads posted and make inquiries about them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.